today's video, I'm gonna share some new skincare products from Dowith because I was chosen supporters of. I already showed their skincare products before, like kind of review thing, but they sent me again for the second mission, so I just want to share a bunch of skincare items. I was so excited to share them, to be honest. Like, I got them 3 days ago and I was felt like, oh, I really want to use that, but I want to use that after filming a YouTube video. So they are still intact, so no worries, I haven't unpacked them yet to share you guys. Anyway, without much further ado, let's jump into it. So they sent me this cute little box, so I just thought they're just gonna send me over a mist because the second mission is related to showing this mist, but they sent me kindly this whole little box. I just felt like, oh, I just want to doing some review because I haven't been doing a sit down talk haul kind of videos, especially with beauty products in English, so that's the whole point. So I'm just gonna go through all the items. Actually, I didn't take a look closely because I just want to share kind of like first impression thing. I just glanced it at once and I just packed them again like this, like in this little box. So pretty much new in my brain. So let's just go through it. So this is the whole box situation right now. So actually, the reason why I prompted to film this video, this cute little box, you can see it has 7. Ooh, I love it. The package is so cute, and this is called Superfood Salad for Skin Mask Pack Tomato Set. It's supposed to improve the dullness of skin, so it's gonna nourish my skin. I'm so excited. I love tomato, I love salad, so it's my thing. Tomato revitalizing. Oh, let me check. It's not just has tomato mask. Oh, it sounds weird. I think it has more. It says it has tomato, green tea, beet, olive, coconut, kale, mangosteen. Should I unpack? I'm kind of hesitant to unpack because the packaging is so cute. But let me just see. Ooh, I think it has more than tomatoes. That feel, yeah, it has more. Tomato, green tea. Can I cry? I'm a sucker for sheet mask, so olive. I love it. Coconut. Ooh, good one as well. Kale. It's really good just to throw it on salad, you know. Mangosteen, so it has a bunch of cute skin masks, so I'm dying to use one of them tonight. I might use them after filming this video. And I also got this, what is it? Oh, facial balm cream. Avocado. I love avocado. Avocados are healthy, delicious, the best food ever. It's kind of hassle to cut them, but I love you. It's supposed to be used after your outdoor activities. I used one of their avocado cream before. I'm not sure it's the same one. So let me see. I'm gonna insert the test shot later. I don't want to open it right now because I don't have a knife. I think I've already used it before, but they just changed the packaging. Yeah, I used it before. It's a little thick consistency and it's supposed to be used after your workout. So use it at the gym after finishing the shower, which I cannot do these days because I cannot shower there because of the regulation in Korea. I love the consistency, I love the smell. It's also good for moisturizing my face. It goes on really nicely on my skin, so I love it. And the size is pretty handy, so you can bring it anywhere, wherever you want. Yeah, this is called Dowith Intensive Softening Facial Balm Cream Avocado. Why am I scratching my necks? Oh yeah, it's good for whenever your skin is exposed to the sunlight too much while doing an outdoor activity. So it's gonna be really helpful for me because I enjoy outdoor activities these days, aka hiking. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you with me. So this is also a set. It's called Energy Serum Avocado. It's a set, right? So it meant to share the same ingredients, aka avocado oil. Yeah, the purpose is the same, but the consistency is different. They also sent me this guy before, but I haven't opened that yet because I wanna use that later whenever my serum is out of, because I have a bunch of serums these days. My mom kind of told me like, oh, I want it. Yeah, I have two, so I'm gonna give one of them to my mom. I really like the smell. I don't know, it doesn't smell like avocado, does it? Let me double check the ingredient again. There's no claim about the smell. There's some description. I'm just gonna read the label a bit to talk about this product more. Wellness is a combination of 3 words: well-being, happiness, fitness. While well-being only focuses on physical health, wellness focuses on both physical and mental health. Wellness is a lifestyle that allows for those who pursue a healthy lifestyle. Dowith protect your skin to help you to fully focus on your performance during workouts. It smells so healthy. Does it make sense? It smells so green. Yeah. So great. What's happening outside? I have no clue. It's around like 4 a.m. on Sunday. Yeah, I'm also really excited about this hand cream. I'm a big fan of hand cream, and it has the ingredient pink salt. I use pink salt, pink Himalayan salt, instead of just sea salt or whatever. All these items are meant to for healthy lifestyle, active lifestyle and skincare. So that's the 2 main thing I'm really into, and that's kind of my values. That's the reason why I'm so excited to work with this brand and try this new product. So yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, so it's supposed to be good for nourishing our hands and nail as well. Whoa, I can put it on nails. So I just wonder, does it smell like salt? Let me try. But I don't want to open it, to be honest. My hand cream I've been using right now hasn't run out, but I'm just gonna quickly smell it because I almost finished that. So it's not salty though. It has quite thick consistency, and it says that it has rose ingredient and olive oil. The consistency is here. It smells like a little salty, I guess, but it has like rose smell, so it's really interesting smell. I feel like I've smelled a bunch of roses near a beach. Does it make sense? I love it. The smells so good. And this is also cream, soothing cream, pink Vera. I also made a review video about this whole pink Vera collection, so you can definitely check. I put the footprint. Is it right expression? I put the link on the screen, so you can pop that up. It has aloe vera leaf water juice extract. So the main ingredients of this one is pink aloe vera, so it's really soothing, and it also has a mild cooling effect. So whenever your skin is feel really like hot after intense workout, intense or doing some home workout kind of thing, so you can easily apply it after workout. So these items are supposed to be good for those who have active lifestyle like me. I'm trying to be active, so yeah, this is gonna be good. Love it. Yeah. And this is also the satin pink aloe vera soothing mist. So yeah, so you can definitely go ahead and check. It's gonna quickly talk about this soothing mist. It also has pink Vera ingredients, definitely. You can consider that kind of as aloe, so it also has cooling and soothing effect. So it's more easy to apply whenever your face feels some heat after working out. So I prefer to use it after working out. I like to use it whenever I take a shower after workout. So I can apply it on my body as well. Yeah, so everything is done. I told you guys I was chosen as supporters of that brand, Dowith. So I'm uploading contents related to those products, and also try to promote healthy, active lifestyle and skincare routines on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram. So that's all my purpose for this video. I hope you guys like it, and I just want to thank you to Dowith again for sending me this product, so yeah, I can have a lot of fun. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you guys are new, I'm Emma. I create fashion, beauty, lifestyle and fitness related video every week, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you are not gonna miss out my latest video in the future. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Self-promotion time. Anyway, as always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.